Bro, today we're diving into a C program that loads and resizes images into a tensor format. We'll go function by function, breaking everything down into simple steps. By the end, you'll understand how images become data for machine learning. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Defining the tensor structure. Bro, first we defined a custom data type called tensor. It holds the number of images, channels, height, and width. Inside, it also stores a pointer to float data. This makes it easy to handle multiple images like one big array. Step 2. Checking image files. Bro, the function isImageFile checks if a file is an image. It looks at extensions like JPEG, PNG, BMP, and TGA. If the file name matches one of these, it returns true. This filters out all non-image files from the folder. Step 3. Resizing with nearest neighbor. Bro, the resize NN function resizes images to new dimensions. It uses the nearest neighbor method, a simple scaling approach. For each pixel in the new image, it maps from the original. This makes the image fit into the target height and width. Step 4. Converting HWC to CHW float. Bro, HWC to CHW float rearranges pixel data format. Images are usually stored as height, width, channel, HWC, but deep learning models prefer channel, height, width, CHW. It also normalizes pixel values between 0 and 1. Step 5. Counting images in a folder. Bro, count images scans the folder for image files. It checks each file with isImageFile for validity. If the file is a real image, the counter increases. Finally, it returns how many images are available. Step 6. Loading and resizing a single image. Bro, load and resize loads one image from disk. It uses STB image to read pixel data into memory. Then it resizes the image to target width and height. Lastly, it converts the pixels into floats for the tensor. Step 7. Loading all images into a tensor. Bro, load images resized is the main loader function. It first counts how many images exist in the folder, then it allocates memory for the entire tensor. Finally, it loads each image, resizes it, and stores it. Step 8. Freeing memory. Bro, free tensor is a cleanup function. It frees the memory we allocated for image data. Without this, the program could cause memory leaks. Always free memory in C when you're done. Step 9. Main function execution. Bro, the main function brings everything together. It sets the target image size to 224 by 224, then it loads all images in the images folder. Finally, it prints tensor details and some pixel values. Bro, that's how we load, resize, and convert images into tensors using C. This pipeline is essential for machine learning preprocessing. You now know how each function works step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep coding. And Complete Code Notebook is available on my website. See you guys in the new documentary.